LUKA, pretty bird. And Indee, you're pooping in your dish. LUKA's so pretty. Wow. Nothing. Hi, baby. Oh, yeah. Keiko and Molly in the background. And here we've got little Fidget. And up here, there's a ladder. This really cool cage. The door's open, of course. We got Fineus running around on the top. And Charlie's out to get some sun. Hi, Charlie. Hi. Hello, baby. Hello, baby. Hi. Step up. Good boy, step up. Good boy. Step up. Good boy. Good boy. Step up. Hello, baby. Hello. And in here's my Sonny Boo. Step. No? He's just having fun. Come here, baby. Step up. Step up. Come on. There's Mama. I'm having fun in here. Yep. And little sweetie pie. Hi, baby. You're so pretty. Sonny Boo. Hi. Mwah. Mwah. Good boy. Hello. There you are. Peekaboo. Peekaboo. These guys are so cute. What you doing, Indee? Pretty, pretty Indee. When the sun hits your eyes, they're blue and gorgeous. Same with LUKA's. Hello, LUKA. Hello. Peekaboo. Bye-bye. Say bye-bye. Bye-bye.